Most home service business owners ask the wrong question when comparing HouseCall Pro and Jobber. They ask, which CRM has more features? But here's the truth no one tells you. Features don't matter if they don't solve your biggest business problem. After years of dominating the home service software space, both HouseCall Pro and Jobber have built loyal user bases. But they serve businesses in slightly different ways, and choosing the wrong one can create frustration, wasted money, and unnecessary headaches. In this video, you'll learn the real differences between HouseCall Pro and Jobber, where each platform shines, and which one is likely the better choice for your business in 2026. Let's get straight into it. At their core, both platforms help home service businesses manage customers, schedule jobs, send estimates, collect payments, and organize daily operations. If you're a plumber, electrician, HVAC contractor, cleaner, landscaper, or similar service provider, both systems can handle the essentials. But here's where things start to separate. Jobber is often praised for simplicity and ease of use. The dashboard is clean, navigation is straightforward, and many business owners can start using it quickly without extensive training. For example, if John owns a landscaping company with 3 crews, Jobber makes it easy to schedule jobs, assign work, create invoices, and track customer information from one central place. The experience feels organized and streamlined. But here's the problem. As businesses grow, some owners want more built-in customer-facing tools and automation. This is where HouseCall Pro becomes interesting. HouseCall Pro combines operational management with additional customer engagement features. It offers online booking options, customer notifications, automated reminders, payment processing, and tools designed to improve the customer experience. Imagine Alex owns an HVAC company. His customers can receive appointment updates, reminders, and communication without his office manually handling every interaction. That creates a smoother experience for both the business and the customer. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest difference isn't actually scheduling or invoicing. It's workflow preference. Jobber often appeals to business owners who want a simple, highly organized system focused on operational efficiency. HouseCall Pro often attracts businesses looking for a broader all-in-one platform that combines operations with customer communication features. In a minute, I'll tell you which business type should choose each one. But first, let's talk about scalability. Both platforms can support growing businesses. However, the ideal choice depends on what is slowing your growth today. This is where most people fail. They choose software based on what they might need years from now, instead of what they need right now. If your primary goal is simplicity, organization, and easy team management, Jobber is often the stronger fit. If your goal is balancing operations with customer communication and convenience features, HouseCall Pro may offer more value. So which one wins? The honest answer is that neither platform is universally better. Jobber excels at simplicity and operational management. HouseCall Pro shines as a more comprehensive, customer-focused solution. The best CRM is the one that removes friction from your daily workflow. Now you know exactly what separates these two platforms and which one aligns with your business goals. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more home service business guides, and let me know in the comments whether you're leaning toward HouseCall Pro or Jobber.